Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video we're going to learn how we can resize 2D shapes without changing their proportion. Alright, we're going to do it using ratios, and in this case, as you might have seen in the thumbnail, we're going to use a pentagon. Make sure you watch it till the end. Okay, so this is our pentagon. Alright, 5-sided polygon. It's a regular pentagon, so all the sides are 200 millimeters in length. The external angle is 72 degrees, as it should be, and these are construction lines that I use to construct this pentagon. Alright, so off camera I removed the construction lines and I named the corners or the points. So we have lines AB, BC, CD, and DE. So the first thing we're going to do is from point A, we're going to send radiating lines to points C and D. There's also a radiating line going to point E and point B, but those lines already exist, as you can see, so no need to draw them again. Alright, now we are going to divide line AB. Now our ratio is 5:3. Right, our ratio is 5:3. So we are going to divide our baseline. Now you have seen me do this construction many times in the past. It's the same thing every time. We want to divide this diagonal line into equal parts. So we're going to draw some arcs, and the radius of our arc is 30. I'm just gonna draw one arc and then copy it. As you can see, there we go. So we have 5 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now once we get to the final arc, we're going to draw a line from that point to point B. Like this. Now once we have this line, all the other lines must be parallel to this first line. So I'm simply going to copy it, right? Zooming in to make sure that I paste it in the correct place. If you are doing this manually, then you will use your set square and your T-square and just slide it along to get the parallel lines. And of course, we trim the excess to keep it neat. Alright, so we have our pentagon with our base line AB divided into 5 equal parts, and we want to change the ratio from 5:3. So what do? We need lines parallel, or sides parallel to the existing sides. So I'm copying side BC and I'm pasting this line by the 3rd marker. Right, next I'm going to copy side CD like this and join it there. I'm always trimming just to neaten it a bit, just to keep it neat so that it's not too confusing. And lastly, we copy line DE and we join it to what is now a smaller pentagon. And as you can see, we already have it. So this pentagon is small, and it is a ratio of 5:3. The ratio of the length of the sides, to be specific, is 5:3, and that's the construction method for it. So offline off camera I just changed some layers a bit, but this is it. This is the finished product, and this is how you draw a 2D shape or reduce the size to a given ratio. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already.